Hello, welcome to the Old Phone channel. Like you, I can't wait to update the latest iOS 17. Who doesn't want to be the first to experience this annual big update? Because it is still in the testing stage. It may not be stable, and it will face many problems after the upgrade. So the easiest solution is to downgrade back to iOS 16. This video will teach you how to downgrade from iOS 17 to iOS 16. Here we need use a tool called Old Phone iOS System Repair. You can see the downgrade iOS option. Before start, you better back up your device with iCloud first because downgrading will remove all your data. Then connect your device to the computer. Go on with Downgrade iOS button. Here we can see two options. Be sure to back up your device, then click Downgrade. Download the firmware. Click Start to proceed. Well done. Here reset your device like new. You can see that we go back to iOS 16. Don't forget to restore your data from backup. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.